settling that has to happen. Well, it doesn't have to happen, but there's a settling that when it happens, when I'm playing, there's this fullness. And I get really emotional because it goes so deep so quickly, and then the playing just takes on this place that, I just surrender to, and I surrender to this sound and to the beauty of the sound and the wave of it. It's like a wave and a wave and a wave, and it just takes me deeper and deeper, and then I'm aware of the room, or everybody that's in the room, and the whole collective just begins resonating and moving inside of that sound. And then there's this co-creation with the consciousness of the bowls, and they are singing, and they're calling, play, 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 hear this sound, play this way, until it just ends in this like perfect vibration where you just it's like you're suspended in that like, I don't know, solution of sound.